Hey, what's up, guys? So I already did my breakfast. It's already past my lunch. I already clocked back in. I'm still working, and I just did myself. Yes, this is a Barilla tomato sauce thing. I use these. I just reuse them. I don't like to throw them away. I can use them for like so many different things. I'm actually planning on doing a little project with one of my succulents that I have. I'm gonna put it in here. So I just gotta get the supplies and stuff like that because I have a lot of succulents, and so I want to do something cute with them. And I'm actually thinking about getting that rod that sticks from wall to wall. I think I have a few of them in the house right now, and I'm gonna see, maybe not in these because I have smaller ones. I have smaller pots. I'm gonna see if I can do the I forgot what it's called. It's like a crochet thing for the like a pot holder, like plant pot holder, like with the strings. I forget what it's called. Oh, macrame. There you go. That. I'm gonna do a macrame because I do the macrames. I'm gonna do them, and I'm gonna probably hang like two by the window since I don't really have the window open currently right now. I'm trying to make space for them. Space for my plants. I have a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Today, nothing interesting. Yesterday we were gonna do the video, and then just things started happening and I was just frustrated. I keep getting bills from the hospital when I'm not supposed to be getting bills from the hospital, and yeah, um so that's like a mess right now. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I feel like that's why I'm changing from the hospital I'm in to a birthing center, because they're just, you're not even servicing me the way and exclusively or anything like that, like, and fucking billing me and shit. Mm-mm. It's so good. I did it's yogurt, plain yogurt with strawberries. I added a little bit of milk. I added about 2 spoons of sugar, and I added like a probably like a dash of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. That's it, I think. Yes. I was gonna buy blueberries when I went to the supermarket, but the blueberries were super expensive. That little container, at least the one by my house, the supermarket in Bushwick is always cheaper. But the one by my house, the blueberries were like $6 for that little square flat looking thing. $6 for that little shit. So I didn't get that. I just got strawberries. I got grapes and the little mini oranges. Dante loves those little oranges. He already ate like 3 of them. And I told him he can't eat no more because I don't want him to get too, I don't think my teeth. I don't want him to get like acidy or whatever you want to call it. I don't know how that was called. Let me try and put you, figure out how to position this. I don't have to hold it because the baby's kicking me right now and it's moving my arm. Literally. Hold on. Okay, that's better. So yeah, the baby's like kicking me, and it's like moving my arm while I was holding the phone. My hand is cold. Excuse me. So this is 24 ounces. I did about 12 ounces of a smoothie. I also did what are they called? They're not called ice. Are they ice pops? Probably. But like this. So literally I did this and I put it into these, I bought it from Amazon. These containers where I can reuse and make like homemade I guess smoothie pops. I guess smoothie pops is not ice. It's with milk and yogurt and stuff. So I ordered one set, and the set comes with two, and it's 4 spaces on each one. So it's a total of 8 ice pops or smoothie pops, whatever you want to call them. So I put it in there. So I'm gonna see, I guess, how long it takes for it to be done, and then yeah. So probably I'm gonna check on it tomorrow and stuff. It's kind of cool though because it's like I should have shown you guys how I did everything, but basically it's ice pops inside of a box. So it has its normal shape, you know, the regular shape of like a pop. And then the box basically is for when you're pulling it out. So it becomes easier to pull out. What you do is you remove the top part, which is the holder in itself of the ice pops, and it's like a little box. And so you put like not hot water, but like warm water, warm to hot. Well, not hot, because then you don't want to melt it too much. So like warm, I guess, water. You put some water in there, and then you put it back inside the holder, and then after a few seconds you're able to just it slides out because it, like, you know, loosens it up. It's cool. I bought that, I don't know, like 2-3 months ago. I just started using it because I just keep forgetting, or I just didn't get enough fruits and stuff. So I didn't get enough fruits this time, but I said I'm just gonna use that. And then the plain yogurt, I have to freaking eat some yogurts and stuff because I haven't been eating too good. This baby is like craving fried foods all the time. And so I haven't been eating the things I should be eating. I'm drinking the things I should be drinking. I mean, I don't drink soda or anything. I drink strictly water. But the thing is that it would be good to drink like some juice or whatever, but I don't. What the water cantaloupe. So I'm gonna see if he can cut it up either today or tomorrow. So I can make like a water-based juice with that. So I could drink that, or I could just make the juice because we also bought frozen blackberry. Put it in you know, in the regular, I guess, I think it's a quart or half. Is it a gallon? I don't even know. I think it's a gallon. Container where you can just put juice and water or whatever. So what I did was, it doesn't have the filter, so it's like juice, I guess. So what I did was put it in there with water, added some sugar, and not too much, just I don't like too much sugar anyway. And then I added slices of lemon. Slices of lemon, literally yellow lemon. And I also took slices of strawberry. And what I did was I put slices of strawberries, like about two strawberries, maybe 3 strawberries. And then what I also did was I would, you know, cut off the head part, where the little leaves are, and I just smashed it with my hand on top of the juice. So any juice that's coming off my hand from it being smashed, it just falls in. And then I just throw in the strawberries. I did that with like 4, I think, of them. So good. That was really good. So yeah, today's just a normal day. I'm thinking about doing like a makeup look because I know I was thinking about it. And then tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so I'm gonna see if I try to make one today or tomorrow. But I'm gonna see if I try to do it. I do have to do a couple of more orders for my website, so I'm gonna do a couple of more orders. I've been working really hard and really investing in my company. Hopefully it's a good thing. Hopefully like the stuff that I'm doing for it works, because like I worked on a logo. I have all rights to the logo, so it's mine. Also, if you guys don't know, I do have a website, so I do pay for the domain on it. I pay monthly for the website to be up, you know, so everything that I do for the company has been in investments, and then also I'm trying to see how soon my website will be advertised also with Alexa, Siri, Apple, well, Siri is Apple, Cortana, Google, Alexa, I think that's it. On like Android phones and Apple phones and stuff like that. So I'm actually working on that right now. And so today I did receive the call. I did set everything up, and they told me that it should be up within like 7 business days. So that's something, also an investment that I have for my company. So hopefully that is a success. Excuse me, I have hiccups. Oh my god. I have hiccups now, but I'm trying my best to invest in my company as much as I could with what I have. So yeah, I'm trying to see how that goes. I also wanted to see. Okay, I'm sorry, I got a message, and since I work on my cell phone, if you guys haven't heard that enough times, sometimes I get messages on my phone, and I'm just trying to make sure like it's not important. So yeah, so I'm investing in my company a lot. I've been listing it in the description box. If you guys do want to check it out, you guys can check it out. You know, it's all organic, natural products. Everything's handmade and made to order. Except the candles, I do have some that I already made prior. As far as skincare and stuff like that, I do make to order. The only reason why I do that is because in case there is an ingredient that you would like for me not to use for whatever reason, whether it's allergies or anything like that, I can, I basically would make it according to how you would want it. So that's the reason for that. The only thing that I have that is already pre-made are the candles and the Moon Aid oil blend. That is also a blend that's already done that I already did. But again, if it is requested, I do have, obviously stock of empty bottles where I can just make it where it's good for the person. Everything is made to order. Everything is organic, natural, well sourced. And even the items that I put the products in are upcycled. You can upcycle them, you can reuse them. Or if they are something where you can't reuse them, they are biodegradable. So it's all good for the world too. It's all good for the earth. So yeah, it's like natural. I don't use anything extra in it. Everything in the ingredients, it's what's in the ingredients. No harsh chemicals or anything like that, because I actually just started doing that for myself. I just did creams by myself. I used to just always buy little oils here and there so I could smell or whatever, because it would help me sleep. But as far as the creams, I just did it for myself. And then I had a couple of people tell me, like, you should just, do the company. Like, F it, just do it. Start it off and see how it goes. And so a lot of people started loving the cream specifically. I feel like they're a hit between them and the candles at the moment. I have severe dry skin, as I've told you guys. I have severe dry skin. I have super sensitive skin. A lot of things break me out in hives, literally. Soaps, lotions. I get hives. I get those little bumps, those red bumps. I get them, literally. I hate them. And I started getting them basically after I had my son. I already had dry skin. And after I had Dante was when it got worse. It's like it flared up or something. I don't know what the hell happened. Even when I go to the beach, sometimes I get hives. I end up getting hives. And my skin becomes super sensitive right after. It gets super itchy. It looks like I have a rash. It's crazy. And on top of that, with this pregnancy, I'm starting to notice that I'm getting discoloration in my skin. literally on my arm I have 2 tones, and then on my back I have like different tones. I don't know what the heck it is, but my son has it too. The funny thing is that my son has it. He's obviously darker than me, but you can tell like under his armpit right here, he has like 2 different skin tones. And then on his chest, he has literally a light line right here. It's crazy. Um, I guess it's genetic. I, my mom and my dad don't have that, at least that I see. They haven't told me anything like that. I know pregnancy does mess sometimes with the thing with the your skin and all that, but it's just weird. Like I never heard of anybody else in my family that's had that. So um I don't mind it. Um it is what it is, you know. But I just try and take care of my skin as best as possible. So yeah, so that's the reason why I started making the cream specifically, and then from there obviously it went into the oils because the oils was the next thing I was interested in, and then it went to the candles, and now it's to I mean I also had I have herbal sacks. Um the finished result.